Good afternoon. My name is Josh Betco, and I'm from the Enfield Corporation. Cut it! Good afternoon. My name is Josh Enfield. I am your local representative from the Betco Corporation. I'm here with you today to talk about one of my favorite products, called Push. Push is a multi-purpose cleaner utilized mainly in the bathrooms, but can be used anywhere. The reason I love this product so much is not only is it safe for you to use, safe to have around your pets, children, employees, and customers, it also utilizes many different ways that you can use it. From restroom floors, to urinals, to the commodes, to carpet spotting, and you can even use it as a drain maintainer. It comes with a Green Seal certification, and here's why. At Betco, we grow our own strains of probiotics. A probiotic is a microorganism that secretes an enzyme. Our enzymes are grown to specifically target and attack soil loads that we find everywhere, from uric acid to fats, oils, greases, to parchment, starches, proteins, and sugars. The probiotic package in Push specifically targets uric acid. If you have those foul odors in the restroom, this will take care of it. If you have grout lines that are dirty, well, mopping with Push is going to help them come back to life. In the base of the commode, if you ever find that yellowing, well, again, your one-stop shop is here with Push. You can buy Push or ask for a demonstration simply by stopping in at Riley Maintenance Systems on Lawndale Street in Endwell. Would you like to see some of the effectiveness and how easy it is to use? Come with me and I'll show you. For starters, grab yourself a trigger sprayer and throw it on the top of your quart. From there, all we're going to do is get around the rim, get into the commode, come down here, get the base of the commode. Then what you're going to want to do, go to your urinal, spray the top and the middle, and as the Push dwells down into the urinal, it's going to start eating away at the uric acid that is built up underneath it. What do you have to do from here on out? You can walk away. Oh, hello. You might be asking yourself, Josh, you were just cleaning out a urinal. What are you doing up at the computers? Truth be told, our enzymes are designed to do the work for you. They're diligently working, getting rid of the soil loads that we consider nasty and turning them back into water and carbon dioxide, which is how we get our Green Seal certification. For more information, please check us out, betco.com, envirozyme.com, or even stop down at Riley Maintenance Systems and see one of their friendly sales associates. Thank you.